Hello, my beautiful people. It's been such a long time that I sat in front of the camera and filmed video for you all. I know things have been a little busy with summers and more people getting fully vaccinated. People are getting the opportunity to travel, and that's what we are also trying to do. Of course, taking all the proper precautions and maintaining social distancing wherever we can, wearing our masks in public places. So yeah, July has been good. We in the starting of the month we went to Blue Mountains, and then just this past weekend we visited Tobermory, which is such a beautiful place to visit. Everyone must visit there at least once. Yeah, we had very nice time there. It was a much needed getaway, and yeah, I just thought I would get that out of the way because I know long time no see. But for today's video I actually bring to you another review video. This has been long overdue. I know this product has been out in the market for maybe more than a month now, and I bought it right when it launched, but didn't get a chance to sit and put my thoughts together and get a review video for you all. So but anyway, better late than never. So the product that I'm going to review today is Glowish by Huda Beauty, and this is their multi-dew skin tint. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get into the demo of this product. So I didn't realize that my camera wasn't recording, but I took a little bit of the skin tint, the Glowish, and used a damp beauty sponge to blend it all over. And in person I can definitely see when they mention that it has a very ethereal glow to it, and I can definitely see that. I don't know if you can figure this out, like right here and on my nose. This is no highlighter or any dewy substance I used, and if you can see on my forehead, if I move it and when the light hits, it gives a very nice shift. And this is all from the skin tint. I will finish rest of my face off camera and I will be right back. First, let's talk about the packaging of this. It's a very basic packaging. Again, the same theme with the ombre packaging, purple and white, and it says Glowish by Huda Beauty multi-dew skin tint, and you get 40 ml / 1.35 fluid ounce of product. And again, it advertises it to be Glowish clean, naturally derived ingredients, vegan friendly, not animal tested. Container is made with post-consumer recycled material, so that is always a plus. And it says made in Italy. Yeah, very basic details on the outer carton. It just mentions some directions. It says wear alone
for an all-over healthy glow. Apply to center of the face and blend outwards. Or you can also add this to your favorite foundation to boost the luminosity.
Which I kind of agreed, because when I was applying it, I can definitely see the glow. Even though I had no dewy products underneath, I could still, whenever I moved my head a little bit, I could see that light shift. And there's a fun fact mentioned here, Glowish. It says it's a noun, and how they define it is the love child of Huda Beauty and Wishful, where flawless finish intersects with skin caring ingredients for the ultimate glow up. So yeah, and the shade I picked up is, I hope you can see it, it's 06 medium tan. It also mentioned that this is Huda's shade, but reading the description, I thought this would be the closest or the ideal match. And the other thing they advertise these multi-do skin tints is that they are stretchable shades. Stretchable as in, like, I could have gotten away with using 6, I could have gotten away with using a number 5, or I could have also used a number 7, because they are meant to be like skin tints, and you can work with a shade higher up or a shade lower down. So that's what it is. And this is the packaging. As you can see, again, it says Glowish by Huda Beauty multi skin tint, and then it mentions the shade name right here. Very basic packaging. I love these sort of packagings. And then the cap on this one, I don't know if you can see, this is also little reflective, almost like a hologram. And then you pull the cap and you see there is a pump right here, and that's where the product comes out from. You can see if I shift my hand, there is definitely this luminosity in this. Let's get on to the Sephora's website and see what they have to say about this. Again, as you can see, it mentions Huda Beauty and Glowish Multi-Do Vegan Skin Tint, and it retails for 49 Canadian dollars. And I got the shade 06 Medium Tan, which they define as medium to tan skin tones with golden undertones. So again, as I mentioned, the highlights, they mention it's liquid formula, radiant finish, vegan, light coverage, and fragrance free. So they have a total of 13 shades, again 13 stretchable shades as they call it. And I ordered it from Sephora's website, but of course you can go ahead and order from Huda Beauty's direct website as well. So either way, I will leave the links to both of those websites down below, so if you want, you can check that out. As you can see, the time right now is 3:14 p.m. This is when I have applied this multi-do skin tint onto my skin, and I will go about my day and try to do some check-ins with you, and that would give us a better idea as to how long wearing this is, if it breaks up on me, or all that good stuff. So I will be sure to do those check-ins, and yeah, until then, take care. Hello everybody, I wanted to do a check-in with you. The time right now is 7:39 and I applied this Glowish Multi-Do skin tint at about 3:14 p.m. in the afternoon, so more or less 5 hours, close to 5 hours. And I did work out, and it was pretty sweaty workout as well, but I think the skin tint is holding up pretty well. Don't mind this black eye. I was just trying out another mascara, and I think that is not at all sweat proof or waterproof or nothing at all. But that's not what we are talking about. The Glowish skin tint is holding up pretty well, and if you see, like from a distance, if you see all this glow on my forehead, like I have not applied any highlighter or anything of that sort around that forehead area, but it's just that skin tint itself has a very nice glow to it. So far I'm really liking it, and I would probably do a final check-in with you all to let you know my final thoughts. Hello everybody, I wanted to do a final check-in with you. The time right now is 10:06 p.m. And it's been almost 7 hours that I have the Glowish Multi-Do skin tint on my face, and I think I really like it. I wouldn't say that I'm oily, but it's just this natural glow from the skin tint that is visible.
and it hasn't broken anywhere, so that's a good thing. Like usually on my oily skin, the foundation or skin tints would break up around my smile lines, or around my nose where my glasses sit, but I haven't faced any problems with this skin tint, so that is definitely a plus. Yeah, so overall thoughts, I really like it and I will keep trying it. For a skin tint, it has got some really nice coverage, and I don't find the need to cover up any more spots with a concealer or a foundation. I can just use this skin tint on its own and finish off with the rest of my makeup, and I would be good to go. So that is also a good thing. Yeah, and I will not stretch this video any longer. Overall thoughts, I recommend this skin tint 100%, and I will keep trying it, of course, but for first impressions, I really like it, and you can always give this skin tint a try. And if you are anywhere closer to my skin tone, I am in Estee Lauder, I am honey bronze, NC 4042. So in this glowish, I opted for shade number 06, which is medium tan, so maybe you can try that shade out. Yeah, so I will take your leave and hope you like this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.